Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Bianca espresso machine. It comes to us with many issues. So it was leaking from the pressure release valve, the vacuum release valve, sorry, and the pressure safety valve. So I replaced them and it was like having overheat also. We fix it and take off the waterproof sensor, waterproof level sensor, and clean it up, put it back again, reseal it, and make it tune up, replace all the gaskets in there, tighten the steam and clean it, the steam wound, like deep clean. um like did many stuff on this machine. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. It's tight a little bit with the new silicone gasket. It's perfect and stable flow. It's giving really nice shot. That nice shot with a thick cream on it, and it's very tasty too. Just get the steamer. That works perfect, and the hot water. This is great too. So all the functions like works perfect in this machine. Thank you for watching.